Hey guys, let's see what you have to do in order to add or update users. First thing first, make sure to access the administration panel. On the left hand side you will see the users menu. In here you can see all the users created in your account. You have total control as an administrator to edit users. By clicking on the actions button, hit edit user. And in here you can decide which services this specific team member is going to provide. And every time when a client is requesting an appointment for orthopedics, for example, they will see the staff members that are going to provide this service. As well, in order to add a new user, just hit this button up here and make sure you fill in all the information. Besides the title and the license number that are optional, all the others are mandatory fields, and then you have to set up a password for them. Every user can then go to their personal profiles in here to change their passwords. For example, as you can see, there are more roles in here on the right side that you can select when you create a new user. And in order to add more roles and decide which permissions or restrictions to have, you just need to go to this second subsection and create as many roles as possible by clicking on Add New. The first thing you have to do is to name this role and then to decide which permissions to have. Once you click on Save, you will have these roles available when creating new users. Thank you!